So here we have the Ford Focus on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and above that, the main trip computer section for the car. So you can see that has the total miles, first of all. They are 23,729. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. Or you can have these 4 bits of information displayed simultaneously, and then we're back round to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. Below that, we have cruise control and speed limiter, stereo and phone controls over on the right-hand side just here. Then in the centre, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can pair up your phone, first of all.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And we can go back out to the home screen from here. You can access your satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. And again, back out to the home screen, and then you can access your music. There are a few ways to listen to it. So we have AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly, and this car's got 2 separate USB inputs. So if you plug devices into those, they will appear up on here as further options for you. Working our way down, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures individually. You can increase and decrease the fan speed, determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. Then when you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning off in this case, back on again, or hit auto. In doing so, the car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away. We've got a heated rear screen, a proper heated front screen, heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over on that passenger side. Underneath that, we have one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned. We have a 12-volt charging socket. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when the light shows. We can turn the parking sensors on and off. And this button turns on the autonomous parking. This car is able to parallel park and perpendicular park itself. We've done 2 different videos showing how both of these work. You can find them on our website and on our YouTube channel. And then finally, we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.